Here I have BLU Vivo 5 mini and let me show you how to enter the safe mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. From the following options, you need to hold down on power off. Keep holding power off. The following information should pop up, so if you would like to reboot to safe mode, let's tap OK. Now let's just wait until the safe mode pops up. And that's it. Now you can unlock the screen. As you can see, your device is in a safe mode. You can check out how your device works without the third-party apps, so it could be really useful. And if you would like to quit this mode, let's press power key again and simply tap reboot and tap OK to confirm it. Now the device is restarting and booting into a normal mode. Excellent, the home screen pops up, you can unlock the screen and start using your device in a normal way. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.